everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and more. Welcome back to our channel. Today I am coming along with a Hobby Lobby haul and a Dollar Tree haul. You guys, my Hobby Lobby haul is from a haul from California. I did go down to California to go visit my mama and just browsed and picked up a few little things, not much. And then I also have a Dollar Tree haul. It's a collective haul from both California and here from where I'm at. Anyways, let me go ahead and start with the Hobby Lobby haul. It's not a big one, like I said. It's a very small one. I did pick up oh my gosh, a turntable. Like it's it's a turntable where you could put your spices and everything. It's a good, I want to say maybe a good 16 inches. Sorry, I don't have it. It's already being used in my in my kitchen. So yeah, anyway, so that was a good price for it. Was $8.99, which I thought it was amazing. You know why? Because they're pretty expensive. And if it was like a 16, yeah, it's like a 16. Yeah. Anyway, so sorry you guys for my rat there. So I did pick these up. These were in the sewing department. As you guys could see, these were 44 cents, if you guys could see. And this was 49 cents. I also picked up these, what are these called? Circle tab. These were 99 cents. And this is the punch it comes with from We Are Memories. So I picked some of these. I also picked up some of these. These are they call the plastic floss bobbins. And these were $1.49. So I love these. I didn't see the clear ones. I love the clear ones. I don't know who carries the clear ones. Anyway, so I also picked these up. You guys, I found them. Oh my goodness. I had been looking for these. Well, I can never find them when I go. So I found these. So this year, so I was so excited. These were $2.49 and 40% off, so I'm not too sure what that comes out to, but yay. And then I also found these are also hearts and envelopes. I apologize, this is a little, there you go, a little blurry. So I love these were my favorite. And I also picked up a few more things. Hold on, you guys. Oh, I'm missing some stuff over here, you guys. I'm forgetting. Picked up these stickers. How cute are these? Oh my goodness. And then I found these. I was browsing through the kitchen area, or the kitchen or the pastry stuff, and I found these. These were 20 for 74 cents. This was the only pack I found, so I was happy to find these. And then I also found these right here. How cute are these? Oh my goodness. So 30 for $3.99 and 40% off was not a bad price. That's the first thing I go to, the clearance area, and I found these for $2.69. These are the puff iron-on. So these can go, clothing, anything. I found the gold one. I found the silver one. Yay. And these were $2.99 to $2.69. This one has more. I think this one has, no, actually it's the same, just because of the color, just 30 cents more. And this one is the here's the color. This is the color right here, like a fuchsia pink. And that's you go. And then lastly, I found these two low temp, and these are just iron-on, and that is a reddish color. This was not the same red, because I was going to put it down, and I was like, you know what, this is more of a bright red. This is darker red. So I went ahead and got it. And then I also found the yellow one, which was awesome. These were $1.99, and you guys, this one you get more, 12 inches by 72 inches, which I thought was amazing. These are the only colors they had. And that's it for my Hobby Lobby haul. So was really excited to be there. Yay! So anyways, next is my Dollar Tree haul, you guys. Oh my goodness. So I went this morning, like I do every morning after my grocery shopping, and they had stuff, you guys. They had just put Easter stuff. I did go on Thursday because we had to get some candy for my mother-in-law. So I did see that they were putting stuff out, and I was like, oh my goodness, I better not miss going. So yay! So you guys, look at this. Oh my goodness, I only got me one. Okay, and this is a cute bunny. And it's a candy dispenser, and it is so cute. And oh my goodness, I just noticed it has a banged up ear. Oh my goodness, that can get corrected somehow. And then this one right here, how cute is that? Oh my goodness, of course, $1.25. And then you guys, oh my goodness, I saw these and I thought these were adorable. Excuse the crinkle noise. Let me see if I can open this one so you guys could see. You guys can see the other one because I can't see his face, but he looks so mad. Oh, and they came on this little pouch. Awesome, so they don't scratch. How cute is that? Oh my goodness, aren't those cute? Oh my goodness, they're so adorable. Oh my goodness. Anyway, so that one. And then we got this one right here. Oh my goodness, isn't that adorable? They are so adorable. Okay, and then I found this right here. How cute! Oh my goodness. So here, let me move this to the side. So put these here, and then I found this one right here. How cute is that? And then I found this right here, and then I found a yellow pineapple. Oh my goodness, I was so excited when I found the pink and the yellow. So there you go. I found me this acrylic boards, you guys. I've been looking to do a project with this, so excited. I found some of these right here. I found these right here. Oh, how cute are these? I don't think I had ever seen Easter bubble. I don't remember seeing the Easter bubbles. I might have, I can't remember. I found these conversation cards right here. And then I found me these coastal jelly. This is a hefty bag. It's about 10 ounces, but it's really heavy. And then you guys, oh, you guys, this is so adorable. Isn't that the cutest ever? These are bean shaped eggs. Aren't these? I wanted to say Jelly Belly. I don't know. But aren't they so cute? Oh my goodness. Those are adorable. I thought they were so cute. I found me these bunnies, you guys. How cute are these? Oh my goodness. So I found one and one. How cute are these? Oh my goodness. And then I also found this over here. Oh my goodness. So I found this lip gloss. I found these Alice in Wonderland makeup, what is it called, blenders. And then I found these right here. How cute is that? Oh my goodness. And then I found these, you guys. These are brushes. I was so excited to see these. Look at that. Fancy. And then this chapped or lipstick. And then I found me this, you guys. I was so excited. This was in California, but I was really excited because it is about the same size as the other ones, but a little heavier. And oh my goodness, I loved it. I loved it. I was so in love with this. Anyways, that's it, you guys, for my haul. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. You guys, thank you for taking the time to watch. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. It's free. Anyways, thank you guys. We'll see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.